So I've measured out 5 level flat cups of flour, and now I sift it 3 times. A good pinch of salt in. Then you get your knife and you make a well in the middle, and that's where you put your cream, cold cream. With your knife, you mix that in. So then you get your lemonade, and this is when you stir it. See, but you're stirring with your knife, you're not sort of doing it heavily with a spoon. And you keep doing that until you can see it sort of coming together, but you can see that, you know, it's starting to combine. So when it's combined enough like that, you tip it out onto a floured board, and then you just roll it a few times like that. So then you just shape it into a square. I don't make them quite as well at 92 as I did when I was younger. I get some milk. I think the correct way is to get a brush and do it, but I just use my fingers.